Tesla recalls 50,000 self-driving cars that run stop signs. Most of Tesla's self-driving cars are going to be taken back because the AI that runs them is acting a little too aggressively. It rolls past stop signs instead of stopping completely, which is the law in a lot of states. The full self-driving code of the corporation has been continuing at up to 5.6 miles per hour past stop signs. More than 53,000 vehicles in the United States have been recalled by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, because of the rolling stop function in the latest software version 2020.40.4.10. For all of the impacted Model 3S, S, X, and ES made by Tesla, the automaker has agreed to remotely deactivate the feature. Since the rolling stop function was launched by Tesla in October, there have been concerns raised by the NHTSA that it may increase the danger of accident. A ticket may be issued to a motorist who fails to entirely stop at a stop sign. Because the full self-driving feature has a name like that, the company wants owners to keep an eye on the car at all times and be ready to take over if the software does something bad. As of this writing, more than 50,000 people are participating in beta testing for the code, which implies it's still in its early stages of development. The announcement has sparked a debate regarding the safety of self-driving vehicles. Our members are worried that autonomous vehicles and AI are being pushed out too soon, says Roadpiece's Nick Simmons. We'd suggest proceeding with extreme caution and in little steps. Tesla declined to comment on the autonomous vehicle experiments in the United Kingdom, and neither did the UK Department for Transport.